In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove frame in Figma or delete a frame in Figma. Frames in Figma act like containers. They hold your elements, define boundaries, and help organize layouts. Sometimes you want to get rid of a frame entirely. Other times you only want to remove the frame and keep all the elements exactly where they are on the canvas. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose the one that fits your situation. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure you can see both the canvas and the layers panel on the left. It helps to click the frame on the canvas once so its bounding box appears, or select it in the layers panel to confirm you are targeting the right layer. If you want to permanently delete a frame and everything inside it, there are 3 easy ways. The fastest is the keyboard shortcut. Select the frame and press delete on Windows or backspace on Mac. That removes the frame and all of its contents in one go. If you prefer working from the layers panel, click the frame layer on the left and choose delete. This is handy when multiple elements overlap on the canvas and you want to be precise. You can also use the menu bar with the frame selected. Go to Edit, then choose Delete. All 3 methods do the same thing, just pick whichever feels most natural in your workflow. Now, if you want to remove only the frame but keep everything inside it precisely where it is, you'll unframe by using Ungroup. Click the frame and select Ungroup. On a Mac, the shortcut is Command plus Shift plus G. On Windows, it's Control plus Shift plus G. The elements that were inside the frame will remain in their exact positions on the canvas. You are simply discarding the frame wrapper. This is perfect when your layout is set, but the frame itself is no longer needed for structure or constraints. That's it. Thanks for watching.